War has changed a lot in the last 30 years, not least of which is the increased use of drones. Modern drones can be used to attack, defend, and complete various other objectives at much faster speeds with ease. This new threat has forced militaries worldwide to protect themselves from enemy drones. One example of this is the Phalanx, a close-in weapon system. Typically mounted aboard a ship, the system consists of a powerful 20mm Vulcan cannon mounted on a swiveling base. It can detect and counter rocket, artillery, mortar and drone attacks with sophisticated tracking and computer systems. Its cannon can fire anywhere between 3,000 and 4,500 rounds per minute and has a maximum firing range of up to 6,000 yards. The falling CIWS preceded the drone revolution by more than a decade, as it is also extremely effective against incoming missiles, fast boats, and other threats. In fact, the United States Navy has installed a Phalanx on virtually every class of surface combat ship. Due to the multiple sophisticated machineries and electronics pieces, falling systems need to be calibrated frequently. This can be accomplished using both targeted and untargeted testing drills. There is almost no overstating just how powerful a weapon the Phalanx is. With minimal human oversight, it can engage a wide range of potential threats, regardless of the speed at which they're traveling in naval situations. The Phalanx is typically loaded with armor-piercing tungsten penetrator rounds, which provide excellent defense against ships with heavy steel hulls. Another close-in weapon system, often employed aboard surface vessels, is the RIM 116 rolling airframe missile. This small, lightweight surface-to-air missile is typically paired with an Mk-49 guided missile launching system, which can be placed on the deck of various ships to provide protection against a wide variety of threats. The RAM gets its name because the missile literally does roll during flight. This is because the RF tracking system uses a 2-antenna interferometer to identify planes of incoming energy. It also reduces the need for multiple steering canards. Missiles fired by the Mk-49 system can reach speeds of over Mach 2, which equates to roughly 1,500 mph. They also boast more than 95% accuracy, making them the perfect tool for intercepting fast-moving enemy missiles. Indeed, this system is frequently paired with the Phalanx to maximize a ship's defenses in various situations. Since 1992, the U.S. Navy has installed the system on various vessels, particularly destroyers and littoral combat ships. Over the past few decades, numerous updates have been made to both the RAM and the Mk-49 firing system. As self-guided smart missiles and fast-moving drones become more and more common, it's imperative that these systems be ready to intercept any threat that might come their way, regardless of the category. Of course, unmanned aerial vehicles like drones are not just a concern at sea. This has led to the development of numerous specialty weapons designed specifically to combat this ever-growing threat. In Poland, the military and Zachlade, a leading defense manufacturing company, have developed a counter-UAV system designed to deal with even the smallest drones, which still pose a major intelligence risk. The system uses a series of pylons equipped with RADA multi-mission hemispheric radar. These have a detection range of up to 10 kilometers for small UAVs and can even detect nano-sized UAVs up to 3 kilometers away. The weapon is a multi-barrel 12.7mm machine gun equipped with special cameras. Those help hone in on its target. The system can be operated manually or set to fully automatic. Like the Phalanx, the Zachlade anti-UAV system can fire thousands of rounds per minute, obliterating targets from up to 2,000 meters away. In nearby Germany, one of the oldest defense companies, Rheinmetall, has been working on a fully contained air defense system known as Sky Shield. One of the main components of the system is the Skynex truck. Fully mobile for use virtually anywhere, the truck can use its 35mm revolver gun to engage an entire swarm of unmanned aerial vehicles. This system utilized extremely powerful optics and sensors to track and destroy its targets in a matter of seconds. This is just one of many air defense vehicles and systems currently being developed by Rheinmetall. According to the company, entire bases and military outposts will soon be able to enjoy 24 hours protection from semi- or fully automated, heavily armed turrets. A more compact air defense system can be found in the Oerlikon Skyranger 8-wheel armored vehicle. This revolutionary system utilizes the same 35mm revolver gun to defend against short and very short-range targets, including drones. It boasts a staggering combination of firepower and precision, all in the context of a fast tank-like vehicle with the ability to reach almost any area, be it on or off-road. Target practice drills demonstrate a weapon capable of hitting even the smallest targets with incredible accuracy. The current land-based protection system is known as the CRAM, which stands for Counter, Rocket, Artillery, and Mortar. It's essentially the same as the phalanx used aboard Navy ships, boasting a 20mm radar-controlled gun that can protect land-based targets from incoming missiles and other attacks. We're on the constant lookout for new and fresh information about military love content. Let us know what you think in the comments section, because it helps us to keep going. We hope you liked this video. Share it with your friends and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. See you at the next one.